Have you ever had a loved one or a friend die a very painful death of being ripped apart?
Yeah.
Well, you're in luck because we have introducing the brand new limb connector that can connect any limb. Here's a demonstration. Many come in packs, and it's only $5.99. All you need to do is put it on somewhere. Put your desired limb wherever it needs to be. And once this is all done, you can get the included healing and regeneration needles. The healing is just in case your little buddy dies again. And it's only $5.99.
Side effects may include broken bones, cancer, night sweats and fever, and a rare form of kidney disease.